Set up Python simpleHTTPserver on Windows. I want to set up Python simpleHTTPserver on Windows XP. I have Python installed on my computer. I am executing the following command. But I am getting the error. Is simpleHTTPserver for Python available on Windows? If yes, what do I do to set up the server?
From Stack Overflow question: what is the Python 3 equivalent of Python M simpleHTTPserver? simpleHTTPserver is for Python 2, so you're getting the error. In Python 3, the following works. Because using Python 3, the module simpleHTTPserver has been replaced by http.server, at least in Windows.